Hello and welcome to the Vapor Clean YouTube channel. We are today doing something a little bit different. We're going to be testing out Pinch of Nom. I've heard so much about this book, I wanted to try it out for myself. I am by no means a cook, I can't cook, so if I can give it a go, then you know it's well worth the money. So we're going to give it a go and we're going to see what results we get. So what are we going to be cooking? We're going to be cooking Pinch of Nom sweet potato brownies. Why have we gone for brownies? Because I think they're a family favourite and they go down really well. I'm going to test them out on my kids later on and we're going to see whether or not they like them. Out, and then it is to come straight over into our saucepan. So there we have it, the finished article, the moment of truth. We'll cut it into sections and then we're going to see what the critics really think. It's supposed to make 16 pieces, I haven't measured this out, and you do get the calories as well, which I believe is 96. Okay, so here we have the real critics testing it for us. There you go, kids. Give it a go. You like it? Is it as good as Mummy's brownies?
No.
We got a no and a yes. I'll take that. We got a no and a yes.
That is the same.
Right, I'm gonna have to try something. It's the same, is it? Yeah. It's the same as Mummy's brownie.
Tiny weeny bit worse. that piece of chocolate. Number chocolate on it. I'm eating
It's
that
not
piece.
bad. It's not bad.
Hey, I want the next piece.
Right, so what we've got is chocolate brownie.
Okay.
That is
They're not
per
hot.
square 96 calories.
96 calories.
Yeah.
More of the songs you love.
Oh god, that's gorgeous. 96 calories. I'm gonna have loads of these.
It's made with sweet potato.
No.
Yeah.
Good God.
Sweet potato brownies.
How weird.
That's amazing.
Good, isn't it?
You wouldn't know.
Yeah.
I'm well impressed.
Nice, yeah.
Well, I'll be making these on Saturday then.
There we have it. Pinch of Nom sweet potato brownies. They've gone down a storm with both the kids and the team here at Vapor Clean. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget, check out some of our other videos. Click the subscribe button below.